Biache, will be a cover. Baba Grace TV. So, this is a trading point, Uncle Panton. Obia, where I'm sure says I'll be there. It's a beginning. I attend you to a see. And someone now calls a babaso, a BCM so now could be a finally, we are all aware of what has happened in our country. Yes, I'll be able to say, Miss Mitty made now confirm the amount say Evangelist Patricia Esiama, Nana Agradaa, Salbridi, Yejano, ya in a fair fiasse, and ne anope ya Yejano in a fair fiasse, and see wapa Abaka and Home Mountain so. Yeah, near over to us on the young man or you, Brabby or person will be our Bible. Said ya is yet here over Kaya in Cherry, and a news nibetoja, a bra, a court, high court, editu museno correct, mameno, and some de a man tamno, near cast uncle de fiasse, in fear idunum, na a more rem, said your court cano, and the court cast there be a woman's an Agradaa. Now I am bonny dear, despite bonny and I know. Asotwe sebi ye de man no na eboro boni awaye ne so eno nti sanete dia o ma hwehwehwe mu ahu se sa mfie dunu mu aye de man no o mate so e de aba just 1 year o de aba afi and afi ne sha ase ga kra and na no pay ya report abeto jan say ye Jäil na Agradaa na ohwe osebo ene dede ya ekoso mountain so metre na Agradaa na sorry for ene 1 year sebi ene no ebo twaka omobodi so a na nya asem keto akwa this very morning ya and news no Ebabe told you say officially Evangelist Nana Agradaa Sabri Yejano and on your screen who say post from Angelesia Manikuno ya Odobroni told you and Yajipa. But you only video with my bra Sabi officially sorry for you because na Omokojama Ekoyi no Ewe Fiaso and Yemfa and also Wansem and some Amansan. Let's take our time and look at some of the news that if you move on videos Nibia about how the issue with my
Radom, Recasino, 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 Recasino. Mama Padoze! Mama Pat, Reverend Dr. Patricia Mrs. Asiama.
Okay. Yes, I shall back on count. The ancient back on count. I'm sorry, man. When you had
Recasino, 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 Recasino. Mama Padoze! Mama Pat, Reverend Dr. Patricia Mrs. Asiama.
Right. I was going to just as you saw, we are not ceremony view, and woman ya jia say everyone could share no ewon some nom ba efie about to do with so no omo busi ya enya asem keto akwa nti ohwe mountain so I made respect to omo a omo sympathize with the mami a obi ani age obi ebosi na nipa ba ko a amanfo obo na baso pan so ye Angelesia na Agradaa kunu Angelesia amanfo chere say sebi wagina brane wa mana ba mu wa mpa ba am wakonko den dia koma part tai na ye chia be du bra ne aye janu ya now deserving a flowers plant baby abefa bia I want to interfere no one person I mean thousands of Ghanaians e bona baso e na Agradaa ekuno aye Angelesia na be positive bit to na ha no pa na about 2 hours ago e break over say Jäil na Agradaa and so thank God my wife is finally home because bitch say despite chesen bibre na manfo kan so ontimi go antwen kopem zi be Jäil na Agradaa be Jäil bi kura ka say Esiam we kura ye ne de se bi ntim de ye ne de say ya Jäil ne ye because e bia obenya ho na ene ba bi opese wo ye no waye because e bia time na Agradaa e wo ho no ontimi entwa mfa ho nye ne ba bia ensem fata but na manfo kura say o be Jäil na Agradaa de Esiam abetimi enya ho ne se bi o kanchim ko ba bia on na twi so akwa aba ne ade but ye na be kanya me so no credit mu adanse a eba Jäil na Agradaa e be sim na ye jani Angelesia has been lawyer se bi nim ne kokko ma bia wo ye de but no kwani nyame anim ye na okoba na o post ne ma to ntentan fi so ye ni na ye chese and someone you can just say me and someone a words of encouragement say or tie and Agradaa echi nyame mfa ne mra bedura so bi wan pa ba wan o za na mpese meka no kra ni nyame ne ye angel esiama wan pa ba e wona na Agradaa ho kwa and despite and someone na manfo kan ya dey na no why lawyer to the cause akopem se ne na Agradaa yi na ye bo abaso wo se ye bo no so abaso ko dura bi kwa sorry you no wan gina mo preach ono na gina mo kanya me asem na o teacher asafo man re ono gina mo kanya me asem e teacher asafo man re hye o mun kwan se e ma obi amana ba mu a nti bi se oh ense ahyase a no apart e yes one angelesia ma beta no bebre na ba tu bi di man no apart se sebio wa chine so foketwa e no waware no na any kwanze o yes o ya nya ne ade but asem we si ye ne esiama de o ye nti ama binom se ade bi ene se o probi na bobra and found say nipa no ebia wa ye o so foketwa na ase ebia age is just a number because ebia nkai panyin bi kura de esiama ye ebia nka onye no kra ba kope se de esiama esi agina brane na wa mana ba mu agu na wa konko den ade atai na Agradaa echi dia besi ne no ebia na Agradaa efa the any age mate na any tipens for kra ebia nka onya sa ahodin na wa kase obetalechi ko be gina ma pen baby atna but despite Ghana for be to be the money Agradaa so okofa no so foketwa na esiama so ne ade na echi no sebi esiama prove be wrong no kra ba kope or prove you be wrong say age is just a number na so don't know what the opposite way be obetimi aye and that's it after you share some of the pictures yeah on your screen here bra na Agradaa and you ni buy no and then yeah omukabo mu awo twa this picture na Agradaa be kasa yeah then say working na say what yes that PC emenyame say on the empire bon ko an so t-shirt question o almost pray every day na say abere bia no e wo so mo ani bere na okonyame ani mo empire bom enti na Agradaa de o chere say empire bon ko a busia tell you o chere say empire bon ko because on say eduba bi na obi ani na say e be duba bi am ya be ka say in about just less than 1 year kwa no na Agradaa amefi ko be bre na hu say but let's not forget on say Jäil in July and July ya Jäil no say ye ka say 1 year on say it is from 15 years e dey about 1 year but the ancient say what police mremo ne e say be fiase mremo no ye ka say 1 year 9 months me clarify say dey no tipinum say say the Jäil in July na nko say this year July and I was so babontin there be the tiene say our police for mremo no ene say the Jäil terms ne ade mo no say ka say 1 year they said the be obi ko school ne ka say one academic year no I no 1 year prepare normally traditionally academic year started from September now I end or March in the same vein as started from September now I end or it must be a June July or baby in the same way na Agradaa and 1 year the man no say for the prison more 1 year no 9 months until they calculate from July and the baby March 9 months per which is equivalent to 1 year or a prison and I say a fiase any atiam nti sabria no ka say na Agradaa ba na 1 year no wa serve we said ya high court omko appeal na high court imbo no sabe penalty ye nti ne me no ka say ani je aba heavens way na sorry ma any ade o videos ni bi ahwe ya je say nyasam ketu akra na oba ya pe ya okohu ne kunu ene ne almost start ye worship songs omo de enwom a che say ekanya nyame enwom a eda nyame ase na etwe nipa e de bring nyame e no mo sha ase ani o ma bo bia che say sabre de nyame na o just the PC man na Agradaa say ono ba wa ba nyame aduma yi ni na e mpai bonko a yes ebusuan ti ni o na Agradaa che say ye yi ni de e mpai bonko a san say nyame nko a ode ne ho abata no a ohun mo bo aboa ama saadie ya esi nyame ya adom na because you be no obi anya that so no one had hope say bia and it's na be na Agradaa but o say empire bon o say fiase na da bia o na o sugu nyame so o say fiase na da bia o na o so ya empire bon ko a say wo twebe nyame no na se motu nyame anim na wo se nyame se omra mu no mebo no eno na wa ya sabe am no ka say de che se o su se nyame abam etie ne empire bo ama finally ye January that's the PC benya benya me wa wo hwe me odwintu ani say bi say sabe nyame aya adom a e na Agradaa die wa ya abode foforo tinyema bi kura ho a onsan enko ye biem nyema bi kura ho a onsan mfa ne ho enhye mu biem say kane na social media so we can on twema and the obotu bi dia ma no obegye ho gina ne ade no ebi si o sisi a nyame adom wa yesi afutu on say yesi afutu we nsahwe nipa agese ensohwe enti saa bere ya wafa saa ensohwe mu abai obaya abodi afufro obetwene ho afini obebre ho na wo hwe de we kura yi ni fiase a oba na wo chese o ayempa bona na yembata nyame ne ade a na wabaya newborn enti no nyama bebre ho asabri onfa ne ho hyembie wonso a wo hwe me wade nkyerɛ sɛ bi zi o da bi enti sa na wakwa abai wo beka no asto onfa ho nkyɛw obetu bi di amane ho ene ade a kyese enya asɛmpe to akwa there is an interesting time ahead everybody na Agradaa sabi am no kasɛ ye yi ni na wodim ebe yi ni bi yen hwɛ ensɛm a Ghana fo bi eka. Let's look at some of the reactions from Ghanaians. Everybody Jäil na Agradaa na fe yemfa na mpem we breaking news into about a quick one and the best me na ho na yatin nsɛm no asi eye. Okay, so let's look at some of the reactions from our countrymen in Ghana for and some more moka at the afa ehon afa bibia and so enye asumji. Yes, so on your screen some of the reactions from our countrymen Ghanaians and so ehon na uhwe. Okay, we hear this part we was here friend Henry bibi na so monyaji obi obe comment o media nso bi ase na nyaje say na Agradaa also how hwe waje nche ni say and to Henry we call you out say guys, happy for you getting your wife back. Okay, let's say a brother see my postie and also see my postie say thank God my wife is finally home. And I Ghana full be HS when ya G at the amount to siama. Say nyame aya don't want finally the wife you know no ba beka omo ho e wo emonten so nti o hwe ni yas mo beka o say o the nyame aya say siama the yira beka nsa after the next so by no say thank you Jesus. And that's my name. Thank you, Jesus. That's will be a day. And then also Ronald really say huge congratulations to you, say and yeah, Obona Basopra. And Estina someone say, I'm very happy for you, mommy. That's the near Jesus and Agradaa Abba. Afi said the name Rosemary say, welcome back. Also then I say and a charity icon page and so a buyer or the love emojis a support angel a siama saying Yamia do more walking your mobile nani abekan sa. Mountain so after the other slidings way near the Ghana phobinum and so eka na ye na Agradaa sabi am no kase ne ya ye jano and so no. Now let's not forget yes the na Kwame Nkrumah so be commenting now say amen no let's na age wow say Ghana for Agradaa seems I see Abigail Ampia so by and I'll say glory be to God. And Agatha, I'll close it. Oh, I miss Mama so much. I see. Okay, Albert Bobiesi today be online service. Welcome, we miss you. And I say, Albert, you also have an Agradaa. Okay, and then also Hunter Zola Yesutosi. We thank God. We hope lessons have been learned. God bless your family. Okay, and so when you also what then you're asking, only would you pass it? Na Agradaa na yejani. Omo did you say? Osua bibi dey free the offer me na enti o mana kwaba o ma fe nso and afi nyame nhyira na busua afi prophetic savior the one who say to God be the glory and also nyasema prophetic savior the one nso e dey etutwa and then what was you do Ebenezer and so ehwe no the love emojis etachre e wo ehonom say nyame aya adom na Agradaa ye no and you can see say almost Ghanaians are omo edi nsem we echi bia ni age say na Agradaa na dey ye Ghana officially na wabeka ne kunu ene Ghana manyina nsa na obeto aso abo no bra said ya isi etie enso ewo honum na afei it also be more on this slide Augustina Opoku as glory be to God for the reunion and the joy that overflowing from this moment. That's what the nyame ase say nyame na hu mobo na waboa ama wasanka abusua na bombium na afei otoni ni Jesus nko a sabre ehwie egu and now mama part for life. I say mama na Agradaa obi open asempa. I say it has ended in praise. And then asem on so aka. And then also Abena Rose, oh glory be to the most high God. And you see ma nyame insure pa why. Welcome home evangelist mama part. Na say Abena Rose here. I say glory what the nyame ase. Ghana for na eka say obusu na make Ghana for na eka say you na Agradaa no. Omo che omo ni so aso na obi no mani di age. Say finally na Agradaa ababeka yensa nti Abner Rose will say oh glory be to the most high God and just ma nyame sure pa why welcome home evangelist mama part they say ebi mo bo sia man so abaso yeah enya senketo sweet mercy from Pong I say welcome home sweet mother I know you're the worker. And after sister okay say thank God that's also the Yamiasi said they are now. Let's look at the final two slides now for you wrap up the show. Now for the Akabian so Yamfa and Twaso Emma Amansan Busia Nina Yenije and it was Sebo ya Ghana Phobinum airborne brand Agradaa you know every which is the breaking news I feel no kind one breaking news this meeting I home I feel that Efia Jewa could say as we are planning to welcome her home no she very readiness we go say no more trends on Marcus Shana come on a cupboard na befi but money bombs no na mami na Agradaa or what we do for you crowd that ya just say enyasem ketwa afi Eric Zivian so share no say we don't know your wife more than you. We don't have access to her more than you. What we have for you is she has finally found her way out. This short process is enough to change her ways. As a man of the house, ensure she doesn't pick up her ODs if she wants to continue ministry. She also has an option to live a private life of if ministry isn't her genuine calling. So to avoid this and ask them no wow. She say, oh no, and you feel no be too na Agradaa. And saa nipa your comment Ariziveni also woni na Agradaa enche ni kun Angelesi amanti or catch Angelesi amase na Agradaa befia onhwe se obetunefo onhwe se brabi wo ho a ebi akana na Agradaa ya amo a e ma na Agradaa nsamfa no ngura sa abra na mu biem e na face na Agradaa hwe waka na adwen pa obusia na Agradaa hwe na nyame adwuma a oye no enye ofra nyame afra no pa na be den de ha na amane abre na ompe ne be bintina na omo no ane bra se de be ekina nko enko for ha na amane bia man sanfa ne nko pie fiase bi na ne asemo anya yeka and then afia de den so buy no se just woni o so wow enye na na nim se na Agradaa Ghana for bi pe na asem sa afia de buy no say oh I'm so happy God you are so good na afia de e su say just a tears of joy na nyame esu wow okay let's look at the last slide and so you see the Ghana phobia no ekabusia so after no obeka yen one Agradaa has finally been released from jail on 15 years no yeah court at the man and okoya appeal no we na ebeka last month and court dey to just say ampa omo hwem na Agradaa ofun oye bone nanso sa jail term of 15 years initially the man Judge Otinamo appeal so can say I know what they do because yes, you two na Agradaa aye bone wa from there. However, the magnitude of the punishment no na I know there no 15 years no court can say what so at the about 1 calendar year. Now the attorney say we can say 1 calendar year. See jail no last year July and think 1 calendar year there. I was a year July a year 2026. And announce your first match. It in Kaka Bear say 4 months over be a enyanso. Yenti ade enti na mama me na ba abonten. The attorney say busunya e wo prison a fiase jail ne a prison ne che posting sensem no. Say do ko to fiase ne ka say 1 year 9 months. So ye do ko to fiase e wo ye do ko to fiase ne ka say jail 1 year 9 months. They said the also ko school na so someone went to the field of academia teaching field no. Ye ka say 1 academic year and no just say automatic say 1 year 9 months yeah normally traditionally no academic year started from September now be in June next year we 1 academic year so very na TNT now God that starting the jail term in July now year marching which is 9 months now was serving the jail term of 1 year na we initially 15 years e about 1 year no was serving year no tin na yeah me no ka say akoba say ye Jäil no say omra abonten na fe and let's not forget during on 3rd of July and that's the 3rd of March 2026 which is 9 months the year of our Lord Jesus Christ. It was August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So this year yeah ni waba amonten so ye no waba abonten no one je and Angela see am be post here to say thank God my wife is finally home and we here obi fi na just say man twa sa picture na Agradaa we say o hwe no obeka so ko Israel obeka say kan tete Jerusalem or kona for akọ hwenya men ti mutu se bibia che say me dia madwen me say wa hwe no adwen che so dey for adwen che bra me pese me ka se bibia but bibia che na Agradaa wa ya body afoforo because minimum ade be ebra oba abonti no wakasa kwa o che say nyame bibia ya mpaibo o so o share fias na busia na won now for adwen che bra na yeni nkomoja ye nyina na ye di nkomoja for comment bra o so o share fias na won now o so nyame so saa okonyame ani mpaibo mu saa e na wabon pa ya abo nti won de ogidie se ɛberɛ mu yɛ den na wɔn ani da so obiara wɔ baabi ano ɛyɛ nyame ɛna abɛm abɛkasa de ama no nyame ɛna abɛkasa ɛde afa Jäil deɛ ɔtena appeal ne so ɛma ɔka sɛ dɛbi 15 years na no ɔden because bebree kɔ abɛka sɛ kɔpena sɛ 15 years ne ate so ade nti na wɔ sɛ 15 years ɛba 1 year but Nana Agradaa deɛ ɔkyerɛ sɛ ɔni hwee ka na ɛyɛ nyame yɛ ɔde ne ho to no so na ɔkyerɛ sɛ wɔda afiase koraa no na ɔna hɔ da bia ɔbɔ mpaeɛ sɛdeɛ yɛde Paul ne Silas mu kɔgu afiase na abia bi ɔmo nso gu nyame so na bia ɔmo asɛm to nyame anim no the same thing ɛna ɔno na mama part Nana Agradaa ɔyɛ ya de n'asɛm to nyame anim a ɔwɔ gyidie sɛ ɔsorosoro ne twɛdi ampɔn basa yɛ adom abɔ ɔsoro ne asase waba ne nsa abɛn mu na ɔbɛtie ne sufura saa abia mu na ɔka sɛ sɛbi Nana Agradaa wanya yɛgya anafo aba bɛka yɛn ho bi mu sɛdeɛ esi ɛteɛ nti sɛ deɛ waba yɛ wɔbɛtoa ne nyame adwuma a ɔyɛ so waba yɛ wɔba bɛtoa ne ministry so nti sɛ heaven's way afei na ɛbɛyɛ dɛ paa kyɛ sɛ nyame adom akɔsi adeɛ panyin na ɛbɛhwɛ Nana Agradaa ɛbɛyɛ nyame adwuma abɛka asɛmpa na na Ghanafoɔ binom aba abɔnten a ɔmo tu Nana Agradaa fo na afei bi nso bɔ n'aba so na bi ɛde akwankyerɛ ma na nneɛma a ebi a wabɛyi ɔyɛ ɛbɛboa deɛ nso wabɛyi ɔde ne ho bɛhyɛ mu biem ɛna ebi tu no fo a last comment a meka yɛ nipa no sɛ wabɛyi saa ntɔkwa social media so ntɔkwa na ɔkɔka wei na wei akɔka wei na akɔda ne nsɛm bebree no sɛ ɔhwɛ na ɔnyɛ ready a sɛ obɛyɛ nyame adwuma a mo nsa nkɔ back to saa nsɛnsɛm no biem nti nsɛm bebree na amanfoɔ ka yɛntoa so with some of the nsɛm no bi a Ghanafoɔ binom ka adwoa si eduwa nso baa ɛna ɔbɛ comment sɛ Nana chose right God bless you Angel Siama na sɛ adwoa si eduwa de ɔse ɛyɛ Nana Agradaa ne kunu Angel Siama ɔyɛ bɛrima mu yɛ a wada ɔdɔ ɛde akyerɛ ne yɛ brɛ mu ɔten because ɔn sɛ busua ɛyɛ ana yɛ maame no yɛ papa no yɛ wɔfa no bɔkɔware ayɛ sɛ for better for worse ne kyerɛ sɛ ɛbrɛ mu ayɛ den no nipa no obɛgyina hɔ ama wana ana abra a ɔdɛ wɔ ho nko ara na sɛbi nipa no ɔne to anamɔ no ɔbɛwɔ hɔ de ama wo and amanfoɔ pɛ sɛ ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ Angel Siama wayɛ adeɛ paa ɛsiane sɛ brɛ mu yɛ adi mpo wɔanyi Nana Agradaa ama wayɛ loyal to Nana Agradaa ɛgyina mu ata akyire ɛde akoma pa ne mpaebɔ pa ata akyire because ɔsɛ starting no bebree naa bɛka sɛ Nana Agradaa ebia ne sika bi a ɔwɔ nti ɛna Angel Siama di n'akyi but ɛkɔba sɛ nneɛma yɛ bia hɔ a Angel Siama bɛtwe ne ho because bebree naa susu sɛ Siama yɛ young ɛna Nana Agradaa nso mfie wɔ anim kakra nti nkanyɛ sika ne agyapadeɛ bi a Nana Agradaa wɔ a there was no way Angel Siama bɛtena ne ho sɛ ɔne ne ɛɛbɔ bra but nokura ne nyame anim nie megye di sɛ Angel Siama wɔ prove obiara wrong meme deɛ wɔ prove me wrong kakra because na medwen sɛ bi a biribi nti na ɔwɔ yɛ maame ne nkyɛn but asɛm wei baayɛ na owura ha na ɔfa ha na ɔkɔ ha na ɔba ha na ɔsene ha kyɛ sɛ lawyer ne court afei kɔ Mr. Hobson Adoye mu nsɛnsɛm na ɔno anam na ɔde akyɛw pa ɛnam esi amanfoɔ so sɛ ɔmo mpa Hobson Adoye ne ne yɛda kyɛw sɛ ɛbɛyɛ ɔmo de bɛgye mu akyɛ na asomdwe aba I mean Siama has done his part nti abusua wa ɔhwɛ no ɔnso adwene yɛ ɔsɛ ɔmo ne sɛ Angel Siama sɛdeɛ na binom ɔsa sɛ na binom sɛ o ebi Nana Agradaa sika bi ɔwɔ dze odi akyire no ɔmo ne sɛ saa na teɛ anaasɛ deɛ wayɛ wɔ prove obiara wrong ama gyina yɛte aseɛ sɛ it is genuine love and ɔde dɔ ne yere Nana Agradaa nti na ama abɛtu saa bere you can bring your comments and your views yɛbɛto ɛwɔ ase ne akenkan no nso ɛde ama sɛ deɛ si tie nti adwoa si do ayɛ ɔse Nana Agradaa etu so bɛrima papa abusua wate aseɛ adwoa si do ase Nana Agradaa ɔto ne bo ase pa no tu so bɛrima papa in the person of Angel Siama because ɛnyɛ bɛrima biara na emu yɛ din sɛ ya obetumi atena wo ho because bɛrima bi wɔ hɔ abusua na ka asɛm wei baayɛ ɔnkɔm na wafa ne bag na ɔkɔ because after all yɛsi Jäil 15 years mpo ɛde Siama wɔ bɛyɛ sɛ ɔyɛ fan sɛ Siama wɔ bɛyɛ 40 years koraa asɛm kan ana 38 years koraa na 15 years na Agradaa ma na wɔ 53 years I mean na ɛbrɛ no koraa na ɛkɔ ɛna mpo na Agradaa age sisi I stand to be corrected but sɛ na Agradaa mfie sitie bi asa abɛyi only 15 years ka ho a ɔmma na bi a nneɛma yɛ yi kakra nti bebree na akɔ anya adwene mi sɛ yɛgyere Nana Agradaa 15 years no ɛni gyina Siama bɛtam ne bag na afɔ akɔbɔ ne bra ɛna bi nso kaa sɛ Siama kɔ ahwehwɛ no bi ano wɔ nkankyema bi wɔ nkyɛn baabi nti saa bere yi a yɛgyere Nana Agradaa 15 years no ɛna wɔnya no freedom ɛkɔbɔ ne bra but no korɛ nipa yɛ adeɛ ɔsa yi sɛ onyina yɛ amense ne di deɛ Siama yɛ I think say a message to all of us and I can't because say do we now to anamon no be ko to anamon no be two anamon abobra a family relationship wise sometimes mean tie ni peka hwɛ deɛ wo hu nipa no sɛ deɛ wo hu nipa no ɛyɛ genuine na wo nipa no ɔyɛ real or understand they will energy what was a say now to me our harm I believe be more idea. You don't really have to pay attention to naysayers because na Agradaa etie nsɛm a na ɛne mo ka Ghana fo bi mo ka ɛbra no ne Angelesiama bi to anamo a menyɛ sure sɛ nka ɔtena hɔ kwan ne Asiama nante abɛduru sabre because bebree na ne ka nsɛm bebree. However, ni na Agradaa enti ɔtae bɛrima yɛ ti sɛ daabi bɛrima ne mahu na mabudo ama no na msɛ ne betena and ɔkɔnkɔden atɛkyerɛ ma nɛ nyame adom baabi ma bɛduru ni a na Asiama deserves the flowers. Yes, Nana Abinasi, we thank God. I'm happy for them. Nana Abinasi, Asiama deserves the flowers. Why are they? Why are they apart? So, get the nyame say, people are asumji. Afi, Kofi Ghana, and so commenting or they fire emoji better actually our comment section no more. And then Anastasia Mentase, man of the moment, you have done amazingly as a husband should do. God bless you. Yes, in the Anastasia Mentade, or Chese, the Angelesiama yeno. The Angelesiama yeno. Yemwana baso. Now, Asiama is the man of the moment. Let's talk. For comment, bra. Okay, Asiama. Is there a be able comment? Asiama is the man of the moment. Just Asiama so be man. Oh, who be that? The Asiama, you know. Anastasia mental say, oh, who be that? Now Ghana, you know, only the man of the moment. Now here, the always see a kunta say yes. Jamani the fans kaka because what time by a chia nyabutra be do sabria. The one put time on after this what the boom. The Asiama only the 3 points. Baby, obia or these flowers bia and when you bia bands the fans bia Ghana for and so at the emano said the ICT or Anastasia Mentase on the Yamisha Angelesiama pa. Now Nana say, oh bro, you are right. Mr. Asiama is a perfect husband. No why are the Pana maker say? I think it's another God that same way. Can be actually say sometimes. Se bia nyame ya me de me akwara de me hye me nkwara asem ti bia man kan yan panfo amode akyere madaroma sometimes say e bia nyame ya adon na wuhia obi wuhia baba bi wuhia brante bi na person ni to anamon say a relationship wise awade na no kure pa ne se wo hu bibi woni na wo se no kure ni pay me hu na deep within me I feel within me say odomi otemase odem betena for better for worse papa mo boni mo ba wo machi atamachi a entie die bia nsem amanfo beka ya ebie ni nyina so me nka se ntie asem bi obi ka but nsem bi amanfo beka eni nyina so because na Agradaa tie about when Asiama eba ware dia de nsem amanfo ka ye so ni so for ketu an watch na ware no o ya wenga and Asiama beja no Asiama mpe no Asiama ni second Asiama ta na ho ni ade a ana bi anko ni anje Asiama en antna me yesho senka Asiama wona brabom ya anko beko sanko dinwe. Because we all know for a fact, nye nipa bebre Ghana for nye na say nye mema nyina ena sa to be mama kom within this period benya but mema bia ne benya but atwe ena say nka na ye no kore say Asiama mpe no say de na Ghana for bi kan na I'm telling you anka na Agradaa mra na Asiama ejapade no fa no de Ghana ko be kura nken kosihwe so ndi yemo na baso pa afei Blessed Francis say everybody need Mr. Asiama in his or her life. And and the amount of boys Asiama baso. So no, the why he is the man. Tiamona baso pa. Yes, I know that some Blessed Francis and so at the etuja. And then also Oparibia I say we heard the comment section. Oparibia say, how many you chop so far since she came? Don't buy her for us. So they say, hey, you didn't pay you for some. They say, no, I'm saying I got that question. Fiasi be abosumi or trade konkuno muntino. Sabio. Nipa ye neat ye woni ema here and ema no bia nipa here sabi Mr. Mekari enchen panyfo anofo ma dwobelo eye empamu agudie ye bi enti ye nua ba su se aba na Agradaa akɔhye afiase panyfo anofo ma dwobelo ekɔhye afiase be sa bosome wɔtwe konkro mu ne no empamu agudie ho kom ade sabi na Agradaa enti se wabade a obisa Angelesiama sa no pa obedu ye dodo wɔsɛe ena Angelesiama Mr. Mekari wafa ana se ono no ya no stress aye Angelesiama nyabotre emo mekura na Agradaa emaye ntiabusia ezo no nsem no bia efremu eba so these are all reactions from Ghanaians just say enya asem ketu akra na Agradaa finally ejebo enya babeju and na Agradaa is with us this is there Ghana for na ebisa na Agradaa wo hin da we bada bay and asem akosi say ni ade no make me confirm the amount say anopay ye jano from yes, and I'm like, yes, of good one. Some amount will be carrying on. I'm say, hey, just say, give me a ban or say, oh, Busa said, now don't was saying that. I got that boy if you're not pay. Don't was saying that, Angela Siama. Sabio, Mr. America. And Bama Goody, don't was saying Angela Siama, I found a pay. Mr. America, Madaroma. Just said, you're blind, you know, you dear one, you know, baby, don't know. So I got that by and don't was saying, Bama Goody was saying, Sabi, Angela Siama. Afa na pay achese enya asem keto kra enso ewo ho no nti eno so nsem kakra ya ba beto dwa no but the sure nyame say na Agradaa bay you know say e den ya afutuo is akra ni pose medical aka no agese nso hwe but yinyina no nipa ya ti ase despite amfonso ya we ho no nyame ede kunya ho nyame enya yemu nyame empire binu yom so na Agradaa wadi bone da bi yina de sabio mesem ka de bi o so onto onye bone da no onto bo enfam na Agradaa de sie na ntwa yi belaja enye se bia kwoti kwan bi so na nipa bi agya no Ghana mra na high court appeal am ko se bi court akasa se da bi atemo edi kan de man no na it was outrageous enti I know na and Agradaa na kai was it esiama se bi obe hey, and I'm not able to the engine. I got on a car. On one account, I see myself you not the day. Then say, may a sure pass it. 8 months and I got the Hako chef yasi. Now, Angela, see my dear be a air then, and I got that a typhy pa. Until now, baby. And that's when you be casa by homies. Yes, maybe we did you pa. Yes, and that's me, and be casa. And me. Just say, hey, nyasem ketwa. Opono behini amanfo pa. So, we obi say e de service. Me ami nua ba de safo wo UK. One me ami nua ba Josephine. Yeah, on so Germany say. Also omo no de me Josephine eh yeah on so free apa. On de safo UK. Omo na bre bia no so me kasa ma omo. Enti omo no ba say ya na omo yi tin your comment section. Omo comment you. Na omo yi tin because so me na kasa wo mama. Omo no omo ye okay. But also, I got that could there fiasi 8 months, and now crash at the end, the channel 8 months. A fiasi, and you went to mean 10, now was share one corner. Now went to mean your own shade. Now, okay, Angela Siama, or no, I can't ask more, Angela Siama, near maybe away. I said, oh, it was young. Angela Siama, near be not, oh, yeah. Now, because I could be our share fiasi. Angela Siama, near be our tie, yeah, yeah. But see what you want. Now you be your so it was a God that chef you see now. I give back one now and you have this about things that kind your man. And you see my yeah. And you see my sweet near when you there said, and I'll be okay you and I'll be okay. And you see my sweet near when you ah, that be that bang, cry. Daddy look by my me, that bang no double bar. No, hope and say no. Oh, mara. Nanka yenyano. No man, a siama, and neoma be. Sabio, and ye can. Intimate with Gideon Pass, and ne. Yeah, and I got a Johnny. Mim was educated. Now, I should put your chroma, your picture and that video. Oh, so the same way CIS tell you now. And I got answer on you, and I'm telling you. And then, so be a becasa memfa, but senior the rumor. Nyamontra mansa memfa moja nye inkima nemfa nsanya siyo medo and this will be kasa so memfa between the room mo mansa memfa moja nye inkima nemfa nsanya siyo medo ana mihuno jina dudu adobako ayasunku kana ni abayo bi Aho fe me who no jina dudu adobako ayasunku wa bone ni acheremia akuma kasa makuma titie anaji di empa umpa nti anaji esi amampa na Agradaa umpa na yes nti anaji esi ama empa na Agradaa umpa na esi ama sumie na Agradaa sumie ti sumie be kasa umpa na man for bisa no because the man was Say Zabe oba ye na say nyama but what picture here that way so what the picture ni what the anabna ima Caroline mo hwe picture ni what say say am say I study na on sere o yes bedwani obi bi penny for wadaro ma anafo adubro yes bedwani obi bi o team ena say am I study on sere oh hwe say wo say am look na o din ase ono a o ase why din ase wo sase bibi ase wo dwen bibi ho oboa on di obeya na dwe ena na Agradaa so enwenwe kakra o say yes ene mamba family dey happy enti betimi abanisa I wouldn't be surprised because I was watching Yansan good to all. I said, and I got dance with Dia, you want dance. Then I basa there, I'm telling you, say, to be a Beccasampa, to be a Beccasa. Yeah, Yansan good to our cranty. And also, one them can yes, and to make sure comment in the be our benefit, you're happy up with the show. But also, we say, Miami, Bar, and it's Safwa. On all UK. On one, the good thing is that the Safu, on one, Mr. Akonta, only now on one side. It is Safu, on the piano bar. Now I deal with comment session. Because there be an image she man come on to me Casaman de Bia only Josephine so me Casaman de Bia and Abna what you don't want Agradaa also me house me Casaman de Bia you know when you ja or says your comment session way yes macho and Abna macho so me Casaman pa so me Casaman yes I was going to the comment in Bia be na fe I for showing na emma every yesterday city we are breaking news the person you know I want to ensure that enche any more breast amadaroma. Okay, so from the comment section maka na abna de no na yes na abna say Mr. Siama I sweet say the one that can ono Agradaa na can was a sweet na Siama ni me de say ye be ye man she say nsem be brain waka okay and afi Ima Caroline will say yes Ima meboa Ima me asma me ko de meboa ka chem by all means what's your picture not great that one just a new maye what you say and new maye you find kakra sana there can be a so and then also what was be ma and from the comment section one and I say I can't stop laughing and I some people and I'm sure will say yeah MZ will say wadaroma with Mr. America and your ma aye you come out so me akasama ano paying na so me akasama wa na obetiesi wanti o ka Agradaa mudi wadaroma after na abna S3 and after na abna say by now my mommy is eating the tin pa I say mo busia indeed on a more serious note yes okay na abna say okay because okay na abna say because the mother-in-law is there so when mother-in-law leave daddy will eat something pa oh okay let's say na Agradaa na se wo honye sa enti na se no kwa ene na siama software siama angel siama obey ni o ma yes hey enya asem ketwa nti sanity e busan for on the more serious note the nyame asese or de na Agradaa abeka yensa na medike aka say yin na nipa enfom so bata yin na ye ho but the good thing is so nyame say abebi e be fon no hu ye mobo na ontwe mata ne ho na onche kwan yen fa so na ontenten na yankwa ankoto ensohwem bi nti minim say ye den ya nyame aya adoma na Agradaa akwaba na nyame hu ne mobo na through the high court and ejan sabi obehwe na monto bi he ana monto bi bia otu ya enunti akofa hawo ne amane bi aba ana monto bi otu ya de amane bi aba ya no nimse nyame nti obehu ne mobo na waje no efrem na fe yin na so ayaka chi na Agradaa nkwa yin na ayaka chi no ye befa emu ade enso de efrem na Agradaa obedu ye so de nyame asena in fact o de yenti ni nsem bia na okaka yenti kaka oyo what people right that is it we here ebra sabi yejano na nko for me chere na sorry man na busia for makabomani e nyame esun no yoja praise and worship na ekoso no enya sanketo aka yes mama part finally oba be kayensa sabi sitenti yeso nyame so no a enhu yin na mobo na me dika ka se nyame nso hu yin na mobo na wonye because fiase de nya de pa se minni se otamfo kwa obe pese get ne ba ko twere fiase that be yes no obi nya asem o de aban man yesu na odwane na opana che wontem pa na be bia to atwa nti I know say lessons are well learned in ebe from aba na yakoye nim no yenkoto na mo bia ade o ha nya man ye bebre nti de nyame ase ohun na Agradaa mobo na wabe ono na ho den sɛ obetimi sɛ nyame adwuma na obeto aso ya obetimi dia nyame adwuma sɛ dia esefata na yen so ayaka eto nyame na nkyɛ kwan ahemfa so na yakoto hawo ene amane emu abusu am da sɛ ojebre na ohwɛ me yes na bna yes they are all jokes no kwe e de chichi yere ne de amayi na ho ani agye kake so the city and that's a pass what masasa they are all jokes exactly that's how it's supposed to be because sometimes yentimi enya too serious to ourselves if we are seeing from ko bia that the bia ma ye ni abrace every bia de bia ya gudi but anyway I got that na crack what's it esiama there yeah it's been doing any mommy what was chef yasi pa na okai sa ni no that's normal normal so be kai sa ni ma sabi media me akwada de madaroma but the way na Agradaa edi esiama ho dance ya kan semi na 7 months it's 9 months 8 months 9 months na sabi wunya akwanya enye nyomwe na se because we go mo court pa na esiama na Agradaa hu ni kuna esiama ma de dey na ekoi ma de pe bi na ekoi da be na be san ba da be na me pia ba abeso ma de dey mo ma de dey me be so aminti enti enya asem keto akwa so on say the city but the nyame ase ene de I know yin na yin ne den ya sumie be kasa eno de onti obi antimi kan chem se sumie kasa den ya sumie be kasa ewo angela siama na Agradaa abrabom yes sumie be e bi kwa na start kasa but on so mo di kan de nyame ase awie amo de nyame ase wi no mo ja obi akwan wi a said the sum de nyom no obi na da ho nti no enya asem keto akwa we a welcome edition so what I say yes okay nti na abuna say I'm happy for them okay and abuna so comment section anya asem keto ana and me say edit safo kantanka ono ema Josephine omo de abrebi asumie kasa mo last year program Valentine's Day no o so kwa na me no Valentine's Day na Saturday and the safo kantanka or started from Friday no also no UK and luckily for the safo kantanka on na ho kanyi na UK tie program na ye wish out for na no be comment kwa na don't worry na me de me no na kokra mo nchimi won me okwa dream the safo kantanka na be comment also kwa na me na kokra bi anchimi o because UK have one me no ho kanyi na wa tie started from Thursday na Saturday started from Friday no me kwa ye me da ye nkwa adwuma and asumia na kasa ya di be Saturday e di ko wura mu Sunday anya asem gitu on ti mu ze the safo kantanka or comment section wa abusia ena awe comment wa sion ena kokra mo nti no o chese enya asem gitu a one Josephine na la asem ba ko se o mu na so fra sante mampo Josephine e wo Frankfurt oni akonta almost the vast day we started from Friday ena na kokra mo chese enya asem gitu a kakran sa di omo konya na enya asem gitu nti eno so won sem no enti mi say ye dey eni ma be koso kama said the eni ma koso de ma de safo kantanka na just na bna also yem say eni ma koso kakra ma oni Emma Caroline yes right Mati I enter so when biem yeah so Nabna S3 our comment section one of Emma Caroline will say I'm happy for them by now Esiama has already taken one cry and how can he say and how can he say because say they are Agradaa na kind you think am dey o say Esiama dey there na ko share fiase be 8 months dey there in sanka bi masa ene yes ye ko pacho say ye aye bia ye nka say why bia to aso why bia ye enti sanete imanya some keto kra afei why be the server say were you okay yes Emma Caroline me no ya adwen pa also conversation no ya adwen no correct afei Emma Caroline bi say akasa kra dada asumye ndi aka enye moja na akasa o say gospel song bi etu moja na akasa ama ya de ye ho da bi enye moja na akasa we sumye na akasa ti sumye na akasa na ebe kasa sumye na akasa eguso kasa na ebe kasa akopun ya se wiye So what you say the safo de ya na kasa man dey sabe be penity I think in my Caroline said this well, no crap, it is very well with our soul. A job in the day. Or more grand saying that they be almost I saw more numerary. After this, obviously, way there. I mean, what I don't have a comment if I didn't say, come on, media means suma muso na media sumia casama media bia. And our comment is a vast dinner crown. Oh, started there 3 days. Na sumia casa sa the mouth. And it's a one other comment or comment section. Vast dinner of a kind. After one beam, and I'm gonna say their daddy's house, the place is Mr. Siama's house. Okay, very well, yeah, not correct. And not correct. After this, obviously, come on, Uzuka's attention. Were you there? So me, I'm share the answer. What's this comment section on the now? And say, and the cross me and Kasama, what do I be ra? And then they was that the some from my statement say, a video, your live program, not back. Now I'll comment it. Now I'll say that. No, we said, no, sitting down and says, Kasama. I must study the suffer sad on the no. Obama or comment you out the city account. That means me and Casa, the Abu I can see it. You too, 1 pound this year. Okay, now I'm being saying, yes, and I've done so sorry. Our comment section open. And I've done some good all. Say, Ja, Omo country, and no one. Because oh, I try, I do be a person on the Abusian. And as I was saying, I know I'm not now. But do you try? Say, Unya drew crab there, no one. I asked him, Bill. That's so bad day. And change one affair. Maybe I am a problem. But this is where we draw the curtains for the show. Now, the we be around saying, Yami, I don't need to pray. Now, you're about to share. And yes, I'm changing, Papa. But Yami, I think your numbers are car. I'm about to share you. There will be as I think, say, having about 10:55 for Ghana. Until I continue, maybe having about 6 or maybe 7. I think the UK at the same time. But we bring now, so I will be able to get a car. Let's say, Yami, I don't need any power. Can I share? It will be around. We appreciate you all for making time to join our live feed. Yɛde Nyame ase. Na yɛsɛ Nyame sɛ ɔno anka yɛn ho na ɔho yɛ mmɔbɔ na ɔntoto yɛn anamɔ nsi deɛ yɛ. Na ɔno sɛ saa bere wokɔ Heaven's Way Champions asɔre wɔn a asafo ma no bebree na da so a ɔhɔ ɛbɔ si. Na na abena se okay. Okay. Na na abena se o deɛ maame tombo azam meka na abena comment na. Na na abena se o de kan asere. Na ɔsere no say that thing bro is sweet oh bro. Everybody likes it, pa. Sir, are you sure? Nah. Sir. Or say, that thing, bro, is sweet too, bro. Everybody like it, pa. And you'll be like it. There be, you know, because I say, somebody made some yakra. And to make me think more sense. But I'm not sure some may like it. And you need probably be, I'm sure someone like it. For maybe I'm not there yet, now make us something like it. Yes. But I'm not sure will be like it. There be you. Maybe like it. And the example they were like it, I know the example the BBHs were like it because we in the comment section, yeah, they say, yeah, the example back comment section, yeah, there was a DJ, and say it's all during what I said. The example they were like it, just feels like it, but I made it. When you show them like it, and I've done, hey, and I've done no cancer more. Okay. I say, hey, sure, yeah, I know because it means so I'm not there yet. I'm not there yet. Now make us answer no. But if we are do what by yourself for some so what I say. It's very, 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 very sad. Yami, I was come now stop line. And I'm like, oh, there be. So you mean also because say if you mean you here. Also the people me say, one train there. No. But say me akwada me atre. Nti me dey na makodo maduro yi bi. And I've been me day and I'm makodo maduro yi bi. So one difference no. TBA in your track and you better know yeah, but just someone there and I'll be honest, but what can edit something juice for you? Then say one and I could cry enchim only in my Caroline, one I could cry enchim. That's what me a tie Casamama is yeah, nipper 2 of the count. Number 1, edit suffer UK. Number 2, Miami nearby Josephine, Frankfurt. Because on our contact on one side, Tinioma 10 come on. Yes, Biashi. Number 3, Nanabana Abekao. And number 4, Emma Caroline. Willie, almost how Abekao be. And just a month for your Mocassia. And ye as a pizza. As a moon. And yes, Yamina Beshe. Or quiet me say or Korean and Mount Nabi. Nanabana is Nanabina. Also, come now, stop lying. I'm not lying, my dear. Okay, now that's how I say. And I say, oh, I don't believe you. Why? And I know crew, I don't know. And I was a fine boy like you. Hey, okay, I was a fine boy like you. I was saying, yeah, they're showing that he's a couple so whatever. And after this, I was say, hey, Minia, that is a fast man make every boy. So, you know that, you know that, Kumasi, and as a Ghana. Some you whatever, mamma, say, make on. Dear Nako Cromley, many years, I don't know about mammy, so I don't know that about Bomma, Yakos, as one. There's a medium. And I said, no, me, and I could cratch me then no. Oh, Minyada dream, my brabo. All that cause ya sewa. And Sam, I was saying, Gumi. Tea. Monquanco she'll be dog back. Where Janny Jenny Bibia. Sending any sikuni mahon. Edin sewa yodo. Wouldn't you, Yamishos? I don't mean a bomber, I say a bomber maybe. Because, yet, and Nako cram, and Nako crass, and Nako, a chill da. Now, yes, I know that Lumadi no bueno here. Not all the door for I 200 unity when I could catch him. But me can't, me. But Judy, dear, me, Judy, and Nako cram channel, on the baby hour cover. Judy, but 24 hours, often nipper, your acquaintance was half a red chassis. Me check Judy TV, but 24 hours, Judy, there be. For the producer was half a red chassis when you met Yassifo. Now, down, Kwama, when you want to make you do tea. What not compare bounty. So, but the producer was the producer was half a red chassis. So, today be an aquam cheer. Now, acquaintance in the there be an aquam cheer, yet then, let's just say, sa, so you're down die when ye. And you have some good all, and Abra. And the yeah, Nako chair, yea, and I'll maybe Nako crouch me. But at the Saturday, day, or no waka. And was I privately say, Abra, maybe a dream, Sumami, was one or that, now at that, because Savio, I want other my young quadra, I contact a can who I want to say, and you my yes, and I just finished our Frankfurt, and I'll be now so yes, and I'll be I'll share free. And I've done even I'll share free. And I feel Ima Walling, so Ima also share free in fact. Ima so this yes. Now a choices about yes, we have a me who comment at check. Sabra bombo ko bibi akoso kama or say Joyce anya some good all dia babe to dwan na ye woni ko ne bi ho asa I say e dey safo mu de omo da no ma da ho e dey safo mu de omo ye ntimi fa ho to omo because vast day that's my kind or comment na me man who dream me say me dream say hey e dey safo and he say your program na your ba na bro you're doing a good job na bro doing a good job ya na your how a good job ya no sabio e cause man o baby no dey ba comment section e say do yes I am so it is sanity I'm for a pa then I'm gonna for be say any na ya na Agradaa bay kai and na Agradaa bay I'm pay beja yes because Agradaa na there be an oka and esi amade ndie esi amade de esi anti ade de ya okoshe afiase be say abosome wotwe konkon na wonya bi and na wa be de kai if you rent to a kremo and a bit yeah enya asem keto akranti interesting very interesting times ahead and I didn't also want you someone said yeah esi na yes Joyce is abapa Apomoko the other remember and I say it is awful be say ubetwa odwan why get ready okay no abuzia makano kuro onze mekano kwenti akano onze makano no kwasem pa the other doesn't make dwan but ade enzo ya ade a ekoso enye ze bi entisa and na kokoro mi ebi nchiro oda na wada ya mpanyifo hwese bibia ye kama e de ma one side did e be mbone be na maye no kura asem a makenti yesi mi nkotwa dwan it is awful there be wa wuni tu ase ene nwa hye ma kama wo me hwe de ya wo se so o de busia mo hwe sa so make me boa come be de safo be comment bia no na wo de siri aka ho oboa ma che no nyina ne se ade e che ne no ene ma etito ye kama ti ho ni die ti na comment bi obeka bia no na wo de siri aka ho one side na de bia and so I assume afei when be in the comment about Mavis Anansi Agradaa, please not start what you have not finished. Be careful on 31st night. On 31st all night. Okay, next we'll tune for no crap. Yes. Then Agradaa be you know you would pass a foot be primaba or be femaba. na monto bi wɔ hɔ a ɔmfa kyerɛ sɛ ɔnkɔ nkotu dɛdɛdɛ yɛwɔ gyidie paa sɛ nneɛma bi wɔ hɔ a ɔmfa no nhyɛ mu biom sɛbi afotuo mpanyinfoɔ sɛ nsakra nipa gye sɛ nsɔhwɛ ɛne nsɔhwɛ wei a Nana Agradaa fam yɛnim sɛ yɛ dan a ɔyɛ abɔdeɛ foforɔ nipa deɛ biara ɔbɛfam biara no ɛyɛ learning process ɛyɛ learning process nsɔhwɛ mmada okay Nana Agradaa sɛ ɔsɛ ɔhwɛ from UK oh okay UK fine na ɔhwɛ free wadaroma why in UK exactly I say I'm back bro okay you're back to Ghana and Nana Agradaa minti ase wadaroma when you are back wadaroma bro so you guys I'm watching from UK now say I'm back bro okay there's a share and if you UK abroach memo okay Matia and the UK ni Croydon oh okay and the surface was UK and the UK for any mature and Agradaa on the kai kwa the surface UK one obutu what for the one obutu and a neoma ye kama sa and an Agradaa so Croydon oh okay Matthias no not in Ghana Matthias an Agradaa so Croydon and I want so neoma elto to ye pass at the city hey Esuja for mo sorry o. Esuja for mo sorry o. Jama want to say e munti. E na Nana Agradaa e dey safu Josephine and Emma Wole Caroline. Omo yesa e wo comment section. Enti abuja that is it. Yeso nyame say omwa na bibi anye boko. Enti yehwe the way forward. Nana Agradaa abey. Nana Agradaa abey. Yehwe the way forward. The be koso bi. Esuja for so na Agradaa na meboa because esuja for nti e na edit Safo, any Josephine, any Nana Agradaa, any Emma. Most just your comment section boy. I say more, and you should be said yes. So we are grateful to God for all this wabwa. Na bibia I assume I think that you are funny every any day. And I mean kind of Nana Agradaa. So just will be sorry. Mon sorry. Munti. And I edit Safo can tanka. Sabi, and I go grab enchino. Na sumi kasa de mano eye munti na na abran eta kokram enchino na sumi kasa de mano eye munti na ye ni aya de nyina Josephine Frankfurt na kokram enchino na sumi kasa mano eye munti na Emma Caroline Wole so sumi kasa e de ma omuna said dia esi etie nti I mean they were in the spirit mom they were in the spirit pa me try na Agradaa na sorry ma na busuafo o hwe worship ni praise ahodo amo ya na eswani en so catch kwani na ne say omdi asida kwesi ma twedi ampom basa yadom nyame obo Australia asase so ono ehu omobo na fe wa ma bibia iboko na wakora na Agradaa na ko she fiase 8 months because abusunya medium sabi yanko afiase da yeso nyame so onhu omobo ma oma bibisa anto ye wen Awurade Yesu Kristo dim but omo a akwa titwe ni Ghana afiase omo akwa aba no yeso se wutwa one night kra ho a enya asem ketwa ti yemfa bibia anto nchen nyame ehu na Agradaa mobo nyame abɔ ne ho ban pa nyame abɔ ne ho ban ade na akwa babedra so ndwum na 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 okasai wabɛka ye ho a we just have to give glory honor and adoration to the most high God yes said ya is yet here obi ho so kwa na ade na okasai yemfa sedam nyame na Agradaa wa ye nipa bɔne wa ye say no kre bele bisua ele Kristo ka kire bra na omo hwe obadwa manfo na kokunu na sabi omo kura bɔne Kristo se mu de wonye bɔne da no onto bo mo bai Bra Kristo ka sa no obia de ebo no to woda na bachi enti pesa mechanical si nyina 7 nyina ye nipa ya mfunso aka wo ya ho ya adam na bɔne kaka wo ya ho sabi mfunso wo ya ho but trust am kwa say opɛ mu ka bɔne nyame na kwa fo de be che mo atem afri ntin na let's ignore the flaws for Agradaa ya bɔne bia wa ye bia ye gidi se so opɛ mu ka nkwa nyame de che na nyame hu ne mabɔgye ne firi and se we nyina akoso na megidi yie pass wakɔhye afiase abosome wotwe a enti ma se wonsua bibia mfiri enti ye na nyame ase se aye ne pɛ na wo hu ne mabɔ not na be kan nsa na me yenso nyame se ono anom na akoma adwo se de be ya ebie mpo ne madada bi oyeye de kofa ha na amane bre no onsa nko ye bi ne madada bi oyeye ama ese nipa bi hwe o mka nkwa se de ye te no se nipa bi kura sika kodi nsema no onye biem so nam kwan so Damascus kwan so busua so nam Damascus kwan so ko ditumi krata de abetu nyame maso sa so bɔne anu wodi ni ade nyina onam Damascus kwan so na wi bi kane bi pie fi so ton so prekope na ni bitiem so day ɛna ɔsɔre tia me adɛn ɛna ɔtete ɔne a ɔdɔ me so mpo ya na ɔtata nyame ma tata ɔne yɛ nyame adwuma tata kristofo no ɔnam Damascus kwan so kɔgye tumi krataa betu nyame ma so sa kanea bi pie tɔ ne so ma sɛbi ɔdane ne ho bɛdi nyame akyi na Agradaa so mpo ɔhu sɛ de asɛm ne sitie ɔbɛyɛ dwamanfoɔ no osi a Kristo de ne bɔne kyɛɛ no ɔbɛyɛ abɔdeɛ foforɔ nipa bebree Zacchaeus yɛ ɔgye to tax collector ɔsɛ agyenkwa sɛ na wofie na mɛda sɛ Kristo anka sɛ wobu amanfoɔ fa so ɔgye to wobu amanfoɔ fa so ti Zacchaeus ano etiatia ɔtwe sɛ ma ɔkɔhyɛ bi aso hwɛ agyenkwa sɛ nkɛ bɛka sɛ o Zacchaeus kora na ho nte sɛ bio na ɔyɛ de bɔyɛ ni na ɔgye to wobu amanfoɔ fa so enti no yɛmfie na sɛ but agyenkwa na sɛ da bi Zacchaeus ɛna wofie na mɛda ampa Zacchaeus sɛ mede nkontompo agye obi adeɛ da ɛnyɛ me bɔn mpere no ma no ɛwɔ Awurade dim enti meka ma na akɔ akɔsi sɛ no matter sɛ deɛ sitie bia no matter bra bia nipa wɔm te bia no nyame wɔ mmɔborɔ sɛ ɔgye nipa atwɛn ho firi deɛ nten na enti deɛ ya na Agradaa sɛ fane wayɛ mfonso bebree but deɛ wɔgyigye sɛ wakɔ afiase abɛ wayɛ abɔdeɛ foforɔ yɛ ɔdoma nkɔma no bɛhu no mmɔbɔ na wadom no that is what I'm trying to say obviously I mean say they make a matter Roma. Yes. So that is it. The enyasem ketua. Zacchaeus, okose edua so opuso ho agyenkwa. Tax collector, oje to oba no bu afa so. Oba no sisiw no bu afa so sa. Oh yes kopem ze nyamde ne nsaka. So let's not be cautious on God as I say. Or ye boni fo be na so be mad. Debi. Bible na akwa say or the boyefo wo ni nyame fe. Sebi o mi mu aten on but me dey ka asam keke. Enti dia na nke ha adwen se ye agidi for ye Kristofo yi na mpo na Agradaa ye se wa ye bɔne ase de na nyame de nsa aka no se ne nka asamafo kwa so on predo na ye agidi for. So let's give glory to God. So what I say? Yes. Okay. So who again? Nana Abena say the woman is strong, woman power. As it was kind of I say woman power. Not tell Agradaa why you woman power. We are also a trouble kaka. Or yeah, sorry, instrumentalist no more rougher. We do on them light one or two so anything. I say but you know so more a boy. I'll say no one is perfect. Exactly as some make an to see. No one is perfect, bro. Don't mind them. I'm a part as good heart, but people don't see that. I'm not correct. Obi no out me. So you know, say you okay woman for woman I see na ye born and so Yankopon ni mu nyama boy. So what I say? Enti exactly. Joy say kwabna you are funny o. Oba pa be nde wada roma. But that's what make na no correct. But say that's what make e dey safo I say me boa dey safo. O say make na wontimi nka say wo boa o. Me ka bia na be se wa se o. She knows I know. As ma make dey safo so me boa bia na be ka say boa. Minim wa gusu. Minim. Minim e dey safo. Minim pa. Because me free cars asking me and then my kind of bed 20 minutes here. But I was on team the cars me boa. The well was actually boa car. I was say me boa cars boa. On team cars me boa. Me nim dia course we here. Joy say some good all. So your life now steady up. The suffer by ma come now you're doing a good job now says of conversation boa. So me akasa o baby dia man on. Good job if you baby no dia betwe ase a. Oh that necessity. Yeah. Trick na maka no. And then my expose the trick na maka no. The secret ni na no. It's a good job no cost baby no ban pan your life now. Come now you did a good job. Wow, good job no was wrong baby na. It's sunny abidru ase. What I say? What this is akwa. On Josephine was Frankfurt. Also, hey bro, boy, so me akasa man on one side. And you want to see you one side on the bedroom church or comment section and brother. Oh boy, so me akasa. So you actually on tricking now. We know all this. Yes, and it's after this will be asking me boy, it's after the ampa. And it's after ampa. Or shall landing ordinary sir. Then have some yes, I was on see that is it. You will be asked to say, Moji bread number share. Ye bonfire, say Yamena moi, number PPR. enso enye asomdwe nyame nka yi na yam na ontene nim enkyere no hu ye mobɔ pa na fe o manye nanim atom na Agradaa ben so de na Agradaa obede ye wogidi se nyame na ebeboa na tena dwuma na obeye a obeto aso yes abusia eni o de mon hwa san obeka o mon hwa san obeka o comment section o say me say obua but the thing is sweet too abusia if I'm lying and that one 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 ain't that we okay okay now baby you are no na baby you are about the surface one will be comment or comment section way o de mon share the surface one be kan ade a make ka wase me boa no o de busia to was na hwe na comment no o se me boa so o se me boa fine na me boa ade na hwe wa ka kan wo comment section he abusia of the one was as ma me kan yan tro na me twa me twa ntro how se me o na no ma we de anofo adwobra na no ba mu ase we de meka mama minka meka anofo adwobra na we de meka anofo adwobra na no bi hwe mpanyfo madaro ma anofo adwobra mama minka meka anofo adwobra na damwe tia bedi abana nko di yo na every tete adumankuma ati sebi esi mema iswa ope umpo of money picking cry adamwe yai dia bedi abanko na nko di yo na every tete adumankuma ati sebi esi mema iswa ope umpo of money picking cry we dijo we MCO we ohino Sidra de Paswane my chef. Now, when you get to me, it is so far some of me, I don't know. It's a me, I could almost do me for what a share commented. Recommended is a fabric chocolate. The opportunity, I don't know. It is for the annoying fan. As I say, Miss Oboa, but the thing the sweet though, and the idea may be boy and Tisano. It is something that they will say sweet. Senya dia, oh yeah. Ebusia o de asema meken se bia me na man kase ya mon kire me se ma hemfum so a mon fa me fum so mon kan kire ade a wa na wo se o de bi ente sa e na de ende e na menye bi unye bibia sa e na me ha na de sente sa e de na de safo mu sa ade ni sweet e de ebusia for de mo asema meken bia ntwe na me twa e ya de a ekoso e de safo ya de ekoso de ma no e wa brochi me It's what the other two comment section was said there be. Kwabena ampa say ni tie. E ade e koso sumia kasa de ma me amini aba dis afọ de sumia kasa ma de bia. After na brand say na brand say kwabena you said you are not eating any sweet things. So let me ask you with your thing not working proper. And I'm like yes, on say sebi yo ja madaro man. But for am from my bro on say anyway be say no say Odobroni ya di ma ya papa no ya mama no ma wafefo so yesu jafo enye di a se bi anya ma ye nti am say makwa yesu jani na mehwe oso aheni ekwan yi and after what I say makwa yesu jani na mehwe oso aheni ekwan yi ene bi wo ho a se bi nyame ba mintimi fa me ho nhim se ahon ayesa na akwa style nti there be se bi oni ma ye kama pa na ene mo hihye ye kama pa na just se magic aka no on say ye de ma ye papa nom ne ye ma nom se bi mo a eja de safo nom ne ade a omo ye a omo kro license ti ase ye nya no went na eja da bia na akokore bi a che na ye di awerho ne ye tini su ne ye sugu nya me so sa bato be ne de eja enche wona fa na bla ti za na akwa nya asem keto kra bato be ne de ave de safo say de safo ne o bro nsem so say share, don't eat and see. I was young. Oh, also on expose no. Mr. T America. I was young for be asking me boy. But was after wishing someone all can na or no expose no. Or no kind of grand the chairman science as someone American and young to be na midi and no crepa and no crepa. I no crepa. And I say, I say, there's a for me. There's a for say. As one make. I don't you mean ya na. I was for as one make. There's a for you mean you. There be. I say yeah, my worry for me. So me ankwara. Me be abranti worry me. So ti say say na akwa bi. So I say ha. Ti na bra ye kwekwe mu say kakra ba ne dey. They uja ye kwan bu ya kwan sin say du. Nso ye nya nuri. So sa na akwa ye. And afi, e dey for say. E dey for say me bo na. Where the ordinary sound na. As one make. E dey for what if I watch for so much Ghana? And you know that Ghana has it. And you know, make my brother myself. Yeah, you know, good to do. And so that's what I make him boy. I was in boy, as I make an go in. I have someone, and I've now, boys are bro. And I've now say, but you're big boy now. Oh, I see. Amen. Yeah. But you're being in the car. So, but as I make an go, there's obviously me boy. And you're not Ghana how, what's me boy. I have some more. Abusuafo nti sanity I think say the one when you pa and I've been it's up for Emma Caroline Joyce just say obia be comment here I appreciate you. Thank you very much say upon all your busy schedule up there na monya bre abeka ya ho na na yetimi edi dwumedi abesoma mansan na edi asoma mansan me do bibia wasi so nyame hwa mo say ya meka say ba life ni obi ama ne mehwe ya I'm telling you nka ya bem kro abebu because what life na bia wonya obi ama ne nhwe wa won say yes I ha adwen o so nti nyame enam deda mo say abebi beba life bia irrespective of asem cry be di hu nkomo because why instead an cancel papa bia so nyame eka makoma nyame eka makoma ema mo kan ho emi ti jimedi esuma man san say the city na make say me nyankopon twedi ampon e da obi ase Mr. Pa da obi ase say every amota e chi kakra I mean it's been we began on the 27th of July and a March there's 8 months yeah very about me but I was mata e chi mata and I've been speak transfer and I've been you one come on edit so I was mata e chi from July bisine you know baby I know but so me nye boni ayen so and they chain by the grace of God. I mean, we've not gotten anywhere. A kind of what, but me catching your means with the end when you say, Yamia do my mo who mobo. Aman kakran. I think say, a chassis no more thing, but Yamia do makama. Ama ene. You bet me like I say, na ye chain ra. Yamia who more born adult. Must say, Mamma pa ba ya honda. Monkos one tie, Yamina. Kakra on fire and ancient the animal yam said yeah is it now finally comments nibi asan ba what they mean started Mr. this was me there was say what they mean they were kind I say abusiafo please let's help a brother get a wife yeah okay please let's help a brother get maybe I would say yeah this I would say hey no example oh no and then why okay one side na da bia no sa konta ho yeah just say enyema ye ya enyema ke kabo mo nti no o person e o kabo mo bia desafo o di wani pa me ametim okay and how fe and I'm say even Adam tried that thing oh stop bro stop lying yes no crazy and I'm making Adam way Media meka muma meka anofuma jubro nana I say media meka muma meka anofuma jubro nana damwe dia be dia banko ananko ati yo nana na ye free tete ado mankoma ati se bi asi meme iswa opo chop money e peken kan adamwe ya dia be dia banko na onko adi yo nana na every tete ado mankoma ati se bi asi meme iswa opo chop money e peken kan we e dijo we a presenter we a kwabena usu Edra de paswa ne ma ye chef no kre di Adam ampa metiase pa na bna Adam mpo ya na Adam mpo Even Adam tried that, stop, bro. So I say, Adam put try, then you mean to me, young troll, let's be chantro. Hey, when the day, Odaroma, okay. And I'm Faye, and I'm gonna say, I know you're a good guy, so no worries, just a joke. I know, right, my dear. Maybe I say, Odaroma, you ain't me serious, there be sometimes they be a good kaka, Odaroma. It is obviously, amen. God has been good, no crap, God has really been good, so I would never be ungrateful. There'll be around, so I think I'm sure, be a step on the Akumapa, Atayachi. ABC and Afe Atabu Atensi Mr. Siama is a very hard support husband. No correct. Siama a hard man. Like was supporting an Agradaa pa. Wa manaba me wa kunko den atanechi from Ashtasia the basin na ye ba baswa ye mo angel Siama so abaso. Because nye bema bia na be de wayan. So nye bema bia na be de Siama ya nti onjini tu ye mo na baso. So they are esi and now bana so so comment section opa enye asanketo. Yes, I was on phone sanity. The Diaco son ya and picture. So be a best friend, the Jubadin in baby. It will be a rassy. Say you buy a number jebre. Now, Moshe, and Yamin Kayin in Ayaho. Now, one tin and him entry. Now, Fay, or my yen and him at doom. Said the at your Kai said you may cook when I saw your snare. I made you, my dear bro. The Kai Obi Trading Enterprise. Kumasi. South Central Junction. Oh, pata de papa. Oh, papa, ni perfume papa dia. And no one Kumasi. South Central Junction, Obi Trading Enterprise. Me say, I'm perfume no. Me di ko gu me ho kwa asante mampo. Me dina mampon. No obi afrem from Atebubu. Bono East region. Me dina mampon. No obi afrem from Edwira. No obi afrem from Asante Fijase. Kumewuzi akwabana. Ade won se trade am dia dem masa. Boni be am dia yo atata. But there be but Philip perfume no gu no. Obi Trading Enterprise. Obi Trading Enterprise. Easter ya ebe. I want ye kwajen tabe papa she. Me a pop perfume papa. On perfume go ho a. Mo say oh ba na ye boy en sa no sa. Last me ju TV. Me a ju TV. Ah me no ju. Ye kwa me kwaje perfume correct one ho. Na brunya ye bedi brunya na brunya fire o chele ne ade aka. Ana me kwaje ba ko ma ju na ju. Brunya ye baby we pie bia na opo bia go no. Did you just say afi opia Christmas baby oboku bia say opie ko mountain so a. Amafo we no mo bo mo nsa no sa. Say ma ba e bo mo nsa no ani. Also no so de eja. Between for us won tie no. Bra wo ma na. So that say Jude no fi off ma da se me de eja. Akwara ketu amempe me wan se. Ma da ya me hwe nya me ani. And you do fresh from bed 10 p.m. Me pick ya madam pu. Abi ya wo mi ya. Perfume na ye kwaji go bitwe no. Pese ye kwaji bed 10 be go. Na mse ade o say o de akọ party bi na say de baba na bo mo nsa no fra. Odwen wa wonte ase. Ni na ye Obi Trading Enterprise. Ni na ye Obi Trading Enterprise. Kumasi South Central Junction. I want to yin na ye ko. Ya ko jibi mi so wo hwe me pa na perfume papa dia. Obi Trading Enterprise ho e na Kumasi man Asante man Ghana man yin na ya ko ji perfume ni bi na bi ayi e dia man Mr. Form number na e from on Obi Trading number no him from pony. Okay. Mini number yes. Obi Trading number no 0530994553 0530994553 Obi Trading Enterprise Kumasi South Central Junction. Is ya what of mobile Ghana? Me house all top perfume aba. O tata dia ba there be Emma ulo dikra 1 kilogram ya kwaje $100 say there be a hardware. Brasa oba o de frame. Me ambassador do ko Obi Trading Enterprise. Atade bi a ohia perfume bia obeje o ha na dia ko chiche busuafo na bibia. And so I come as now make come from Battle Grace Financial Services at the Ama Amansan. Meaning I say Ghana for a more shame, ya more Canada than America. A fair insurance won't send some sika crabia won't send some afe sikasions and some the ebako pe enwa and the Battle Grace Financial Services. What you are going to now insurance company papa to Canada and America. Now insurance company papa don't have a time. They are no any Battle Grace Financial Services. Omo insurance all the whole battle now see sika na fe. Okwa jim na ko ba se ohia sika on betam sika bon dia ma ye tax free umpewe na den e na ope e na afen so no omo sie sika na bia mesre me kan wanda so na so nyama ne mpare how ne amani bi ba na ntimi nya adwuma bi mu a wo mo abehwe wo ma o behwe wo ma ko mi so man bi college su apon bi na afen wa mu so ma hwe wa akopem se obeye nyankopon twedi ampon dia umpewe na den e na ope a Battle Grace Financial Services. So number here 813-408-1084 813-408-1084. No one to an amoya bibia in koi and from abusia me da bi arase samoje bre na mo hwe me de covenant usu nyame nkan ye ho na ontene ne nche bre pam ye behia na deɛ aka bi asom yɛde asom yɛ nyinaa yɛ ho na yɛkɔ na abena se baa ya na abena oh baa ya wate ɔbapa kɔre de na babaawa nyame nhyira wate me nuabaa na ɔnka ho na ɔnyɛ ɔso akoma so adeɛ ɛmfa ma abusua nyame ntena mu hyɛ nyinaa bɛpɛ me yɛbɛhyia meda ase sɛ mogye brɛ na mohwɛ yɛ makraw bye bye